Have you ever had an author, friend, colleague ask you to review their book and write a review on GoodReads or Amazon or maybe another platform? Hi, my name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services and brand new book, The Online Shift. I'm going to share with you today how to create maybe a profile on GoodReads, but most importantly, write a review on GoodReads. It was only a couple years ago that I joined the world of authors. I was starting to write my book, and I was becoming friends and working with colleagues that had already published books. And a great way to support an author is to write a review. Fantastic way to just send a little bit of appreciation for all that hard work. But I had never done that before. I had never written a review and I didn't know the process. So a way to support you in how you can support another author, I'm going to show you how. Thanks for joining me. Right, so you just need to look up goodreads.com and I'll share the link below. When you are on this site, then you can log in either with Facebook, or if you don't have Facebook, that's okay. You can continue with Amazon, or you can continue with Apple. Good way to do it as well is to sign up with email. So you just click that, and then you can start a brand new account. You can do your first and last name or just your first name. And then you want to click I'm not a robot. And then this comes up, mountains or hills. That one, that one, that one, and then verify. So you've got your name, your email, create a password, and then click sign up. If you already have an account, you can sign in. I'm going to sign up. And it's telling me I need a longer password. Okay. Not a robot, sign up. All right, so I received an email from GoodReads. I need to verify the email. All right, now we're in. Okay. And then just make sure you write down your password. And then get book recommendations from your friends. Check address book to find friends on GoodReads. And you can connect your Facebook or Gmail, which is great. See what your friends are reading if they've done this as well. Or you can skip this step. And then they've got this great challenge here. You can, how many books you want to read, which is fantastic. And then they're even asking what kind of genres. If you want ebooks or, whatever your focus is, and then you can continue. And then you have some books that they're going to suggest as well. You can also start typing in maybe someone that a book, and that you want to review. You can, I'm going to click a little bit further. Now I want to give it a rating, but I also want to write a review. Let's try it that way to bring it up a little bit further. I want to go back to that book so I can write a review, and clicking the title is what brought me a little bit further here. And you can give it a rating. When you scroll down a little bit, you can click write a review. So you want to reread your review. Okay, so I've got my review. I can now post. And it's that simple. and now it shows up. You can add the date of when you finished it. And then when you go to you can go to your profile, and you can upload a photo and you can add your last name. You can give additional details if you want to. Can give additional information, then do the I'm not a robot and save profile settings, especially if you're an author, you want to do this. Can upload a photo as well. So, and then you can start checking in on friends if you've gone that route to see what they're reading. This is where you'll find your profile. And when you click My Books, this is when you are going to find what reviews you've already completed, or perhaps what draft reviews you have as well. And you can start a review and find, another book that you've read. I hope this was helpful for you. It's very simple to sign up for a GoodReads account and to write a review for a colleague, a friend, or just a great book that you've read and you want to share with others that they should read this book too. Thanks again for checking this out. Remember that you can purchase your books often at your local bookstore, on Amazon, or you can request a book at your local library. Thanks for checking this out. My name is Patricia Regier.